welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since my last video, so today I am very excited about this one. It's gonna be a little project that we've never done before, but we are gonna try to ¿cómo se dice tapiza? Upholster?
No, I feel like
we're gonna cover this couch up. This little couch thingy.
Hold on, let me move up
with this fabric right here that we got at Walmart for $3 a yard. I don't know how many yards. 15 yards.
Dollars.
So $15 for 5 yards?
5 times 3 is 15? Yeah, 5 yards.
Oh my god. So the reason why we're doing that is because someone got a little room makeover. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And then this is not so cute. As you can see, it has like marker stains and it's like peeling right here. And it's not a good look for this new room. So, like I said, we've never done this before. So we're just gonna, and also the fabric doesn't cover like the whole width of this. So we're not professionals, but we're just gonna...
I'm just gonna make it work.
Yeah, we're gonna make it work.
I don't got money for a new couch.
Exactly. So just stick around and yeah. We'll probably like... Oh, you know what I just thought of?
What?
When we staple this, we're gonna see the staples.
So that's not good. We can't do it. I don't want the staples to be visible. What if we glue that?
We don't have strong enough glue.
Oh, okay. Oh. I don't know how strong it is. But
Alright. Point is, we just need an idea of like...
An adhesive is glue, right?
Yeah. So, let's start stapling, baby.
What do we staple?
Like we're gonna like...
I feel like we should put a little bit of glue on the corners just so that...
So that it doesn't move, the fabric. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh! So it's open. I didn't think the glue was gonna... It's just coming out.
Oh, it looks like a hot glue. Touch it. I like that. Yes. No, you're right.
Oh.
Okay, now let's do it on that side.
We just do one side?
Yeah. Yes. How do you feel?
Feel great! What about...
You're gonna fold it to the back?
Yeah.
And make it like a little envelope?
What do you think?
No.
It looks weird.
Yeah. Super weird.
Okay, so let's just... We can still do it, look. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Look, now it's too long.
We could cut it and just fold over the little piece with the...
Oh, you mean like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. But you cut it, because you kind of know more about cutting.
Okay, here.
It's actually turning out pretty.
Right? Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. Cuidado, you staple your finger.
It's there?
I'd rather do a Home Depot run than a hospital run.
It's there.
Yeah. There we go. Yes, honey. Okay. So the back situation is looking like this, guys. See? This is what we're working with in the back. So what we're gonna do is lift this up and make our fabric go in here and in here. So it doesn't matter if we staple to the couch, eh? Really thick right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, my thing, my jiggy broke. Oh, I don't want to pick it up with my finger.
Madeline, the glue.
What? Oh my god, you scared me. I'm over here trying to pick up sharp objects, and you over here telling me about this glue. Mira, ni se quiere tapar. Oh my gosh, how do I pick this up?
Maybe like this.
Ooh.
Hold on.
You're so smart.
You know how to put it together?
No, I do not. Ladies and gentlemen, as of now, this is what it looks like so far. I think it turned out pretty good.
Oh.
But we are gonna have to do a little run to Home Depot because we need more staples for the staple gun. I think it goes anywhere.
No. Let's see how it looks with the thing white.
We're gonna have to make a hole.
How?
You see? You want to leave the back like that?
How does it look? Weird.
I want to put the fabric on that.
Okay, we can do it. It's pretty. I actually like it that way. I don't know.
No.
Well, let's put it.
Yeah. It looks so incomplete.
Alright.
So as you guys can see, we decided to leave the back of the couch white. We really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Tell us what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to catch you in the next video. Bye.